This is an OTIS elevator at Skanstull metro station. Let's ride it. It's a traction elevator. It's a bit dark now. There's a signal or arrival chime. What's wrong with the elevator? Wait a minute. What's going on? Hey, come on. Now it's working. Strange. Let's go up again. Oh, look at those doors. They're not in the best possible condition. We're gonna ride it again. Ow. Hey, please. What the hell? What the hell is going on? Stop it. Thank you. It's very selfish. And self-absorbed. It doesn't want to cooperate. It has to be maintained. Probably modernized in the 2000s or something. Yeah. Well, let's just send it down and see if it's gonna work. No. We'll have to wait like 2 times. Well, I don't know, it's just a coincidence, I don't know. I don't think I can see the counterweight anyway, it's too dark.
Okay,
that's it.